Hello and welcome to this video. Not as much about Sony CDP-338ESD, which has this fault that the tray comes out and back in, and that's due to one of those micro switches being dirty. And but that's not the reason to make a video. This video is about replacing parts. So owner told me that the laser head has been replaced in this unit, and I didn't believe him. I just thought that people tell you that they replace laser heads, but they don't need to be replaced because they are very robust and reliable. Hardly ever they fail, particularly those KSS-151A. And but it has been. Have a look how this ribbon is routed. From this side, it just goes all nicely into that channel. But from that side, see, when the head travels, let me leave it on that, it is just all mangled. What should happen is that as it comes up here, it should be folded, and that edge there that I'm pointing to should slot there, and then a ribbon would travel in a nice loop. Okay, so obviously I have to unplug it, reroute it, and then fix it up again. My advice is, if you're going to do things that you haven't done before, and a bit of DIY and stuff like that, I suggest, and this is what I do for units that I've never seen before, take a picture from every angle, and once you finish taking pictures, make a video all around and from all sides. So when you remove the part and you get a replacement in 3 or 4 weeks time, when you've forgotten everything about it, look at the pictures, look at the video, then you'll know which way it should go. I mean, I'm surprised that it even worked. I mean, those ribbons are flexible, but it shouldn't be mangled like that. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye-bye.